Hi everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I am still working through my voice, so I have to take a cough break or anything like that, or just sound horrible. I am sorry. I'm on the up and up though, which is nice. So let's go ahead and go through this week's new releases. You will notice there's only 2 kits here. That's because we have a pop culture mystery this week, and it is a real good one. Like, so excited. I am using it in September. So let's go ahead and start at the top. First things first is there will be a freebie with all orders this week. It is the Barbie freebie to celebrate the Barbie movie release. So this will be in all orders starting Wednesday until Sunday. There is a couple of doodles this week. This is 731, which is like the Disney Cruise Line, 732, which is pass holder, 733, which is the cassette tape, and 734, which is the beach ball. We do have 2 new characters this week. It is 2 requests. There is RuPaul as well as Raymond from Animal Crossing. And then we don't have any traditional scribblers or color of the week this week. This week I am just going to be doing a new installment. This will be the second installment of the limited edition Scribbler colors, and this is the fall version. So I just brought home one, which is number 6, since I now have all blonde hair. And this will be available in all 6 Scribbler options. And this is going to be sold as a bundle, like the summer Scribblers. And I'll just go ahead and flip through the colors. Y'all loved the summer version of this. It did way better than I could have even expected. So this is the fall version with lots of pretty fall colors. So that is the limited edition of the week is going to be that. They sold so well last time that I wanted to make sure we had enough room in production. So we're, like I said, not doing any new scribblers or new color of the week this week. It'll just be the limited edition fall scribblers. And those will only be available Wednesday through Sunday. We also have some underlays this week, which kind of pulls into the pop mystery. These are the Park Hopper ones, and they come in gold, silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow. There's another foil bundle for this week. This one is a really pretty, it's kind of like a burgundy color. Let me show you. This is in confetti version 2. It's like a burgundy, like an orangey burgundy. So I have to figure out what color, if you know, or even like, it almost looks brown, but it's a more orangey, reddish brown. If you have any name ideas, please help me out because I'm a little stumped on this one. Really pretty for fall though. So you have the 2 pages of the full boxes and headers, the bougie boxes, the icons and scripts, as well as the bottom washi fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. Yeah, this is really pretty. I'd say it's pretty true to color as what it's showing here. So it's kind of like a brownish, orangey, slightly red color. Really pretty. That will be on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. Then I have 3 kits for you this week. Like I said, we have the pop culture mystery, but I'll go into that last. We do have a reformat. This was a mystery from last year, and this is called Coffee Break. So all of the kits this week are exclusive art, and we love that. This one is just gorgeous, 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 and it is a coffee shop mystery. Perfect for any time, but also I feel like is a really good, like, transitioning into fall set. Love these colors. Looks great with like matte bronze, silver, gold, matte silver, navy, any of those type of colors I think would be really pretty with. Even rose I think would bring out some of the more pinky tones in here. So that is the ultimate kit. And like I said, this is a reformat from a mystery from last year. So that is the ultimate, the mini, and then there is add-on options. You have label, label 2, ombre, functional, doodle, and fashion there as well. So that is Coffee Break. And then this is a new exclusive art. And this was like when I did a like request for kits. Hike was like the second most requested kit, and this was the first most requested kit. And it was a fall birthday set. So I was like, all right, we got to figure something out. So I thought, what about a woodland party? I feel like this isn't necessarily like 100% like you need to use this in the fall. But when picking colors, I was like, okay, I think This kind of gives fall vibes, but also could be used other times. Like I feel like you could use this in the spring. I feel like you could use it in the fall. I feel like you could even use it in the summer. I feel like you could really use it anytime, but it could definitely lean more fall with these colors and also what foils you pair with it. So like I said, this is exclusive art. It's new art. You haven't seen it before. You won't see it anywhere else. And it is just gorgeous. It couldn't have turned out any better. So it is kind of, it's not like super kiddie. There are kid add-ons in the families boxes, but I feel like any like age group could use this. I think it's just really pretty. And then these are the colors. How stinking cute is this? I feel like you could use silver with it. You could use gold with it. You could use hollow with it. Lavender hollow, rose, gold, golden champagne lights. You have the cake box and just some little like cookies. I love these colors. I think they're so pretty. I think it's fall, but it also could be very spring. Oh, it's so good. Perfect for a quote box. And then the freebie is just this scene here, but the bigger version because I just loved it so, so much. Oh, okay, so that is it's called Woodland Party. And then let me show you the add-on options. Also comes in mini kit, of course. So let me show you the add-on options for this. There's quite a few in this one. So there's the doodle, the functional, the ombre, the label. There's this one here, which I think definitely brings it into the more fall colors. Label 2, label 3, which is a coral. And then you do have the fam options. So there's fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you have the like 1 kit option and there's like a 2 kit option. And then you have the tall box fashion here, which is just so stinking cute. I'm obsessed. Love it. It's perfect. I hope that you love it. And I'm like, I don't have any fall birthdays, but I think I might use it for like a spring birthday. It's just too cute to not use. I feel like they'd even use it for my birthday in April. It's really pretty. So that is the Woodland Party set. And then let's go into the Pop Mystery. And y'all, I'm going to do just a little swipe sneak. And then I'll go over hints if you don't want to see it, but I feel like a lot of y'all want to see it. And this is a good one. So I'm going to do the swipe sneak. So if you don't want to see it, like Rugrats, I don't know actually if you know that's what it is, but now you know. I feel like, or no, that was like, I don't know what we're on. I'm still sick. So here we are. If you don't want to see it, go 30 seconds in advance. Ready, set. Oh my gosh. Is it not the most gorgeous thing ever? So yeah, it is so pretty. Let me tell you about the add-on options. I'll actually show you a couple of them so you can see kind of the colors. So let me show you these. So this is some of the add-ons. So there is going to be label. There is label 2, label 3. Then there is also ombre. There's functional. There is doodle. There's the magical doodles. And then there's a fashion option. The fashion box is a tall. And then the 2 regular boxes, 2 different fashions, and then just a like hand holding something. And then the kit itself has no fashion people in it, besides the ones that you might have briefly saw, but those aren't really people necessarily. So that is the Pop Culture Mystery. It will be available from Wednesday through Sunday. And y'all, it is so stinking pretty. I love this. I feel like foil wise, there's like a bazillion options. I do have a sparkly orange coming out that I think will look really perfect with it, but I think it would look really pretty with a purple, a sparkly black, which I also have sparkly black in confetti version 2 coming out. I'll have to have those come out soon. I'm just literally obsessed. I think it would look really cute with the Planet Hannah Scroll Prince Co. collab that is out right now, the Spooky Cute. I think that'd be perfect. But yeah, that is the Pop Culture Mystery for this week. And y'all, it's a good one. So I hope you like this week's new releases. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for bearing with me through this voice, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.